So I hope this is a good angle because this is so like impromptu. I was just like, I'm just doing this today. I am gonna cut my hair on my own by myself, and like a real cut, not no little trim or dust that I've done in the past. Some disclaimers. I'm not influencing, well, you do what you want to do, okay? You take what you want from this video. I saw a few videos, as everybody does before they try to do something like this. The person that really like took me over and it was like, yeah, I have to do it, like it was so random, but I was watching Destiny from Juju and Des do, she just cut her hair and I was like, oh, I can do that. I can totally do that. I'm gonna be doing what they consider the unicorn cut. Also, I agree with what Destiny said in her video. Curly hair is really forgiving. I don't know how my hair is gonna look when it's straightened, but I don't usually wear my hair straight anyways, and I figure if I'm gonna let another, like a stylist, just cut my hair, I'd rather just, you know, sometimes stylists mess up your hair. Like, they really do. So I won't be as upset if I do it to myself. Worst comes to worst, I'll just cut it. And no worst, like, the first step would be getting a protective style. Yeah, I'll just put it in braids after this if it's, like, really, really horrible. This is the length of my hair. Let me show you guys. I have pajama pants on, so I'm not gonna show you all the way, but it's pretty freaking long. Like, it's long. It's really long. That's my longest layer. Like, super long. I need a cut. I need a cut. And I'm going to do it on my own because once I do it on my own, then I'm going to be able to do it on my own forever. And that's the goal. And I have some black tea with milk and sugar. Almond milk. Oh, another disclaimer. Please disregard, like, I have like little red things here. I'm going through a lot of shit right now, so it's like the perfect time. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush all my hair to the front. This is what you do with this cut. You brush it all to the front. Okay, y'all, that's as best as it's gonna get because that just took forever. Look how, like, these ends are just atrocious. Like, I honestly want to cut all of this, but I'm gonna go little by little because I don't want to like make myself cry about this, you know. So I'm just gonna cut like this much first. That just feels better already. I know I didn't do anything yet, but okay, so now I'm going to take it from right where my ears are and kind of go back. I'm gonna go like to the crown of my head and stop there, and then I'm gonna cut the top layer basically and repeat the process. I'm gonna cut the ends there as well. Okay, guys, so I just had to do like, I basically did the same steps that you guys saw me do. I just did them like 3 more times because the length just, like, I wasn't chipping enough away. I think I am a little bit scared. You can see like the light layers, which honestly, this is kind of like what I had already. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a break from the unicorns and I'm going to just cut this off because I really want to cut off the ends. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut that. So this is how much I cut. You guys can see it's little pieces. I'm about to go in right now. Okay guys, so I finally got somewhere. I think my length, yeah, you can see this is my layer right here, but this is still on a high ponytail, but it's like about right here. So I cut about 1 inch off now, like fully. So what I did now was I created 2 ponytails. I sectioned off a majority of the top because I don't want to cut much of it anymore. I still have to work on like the front of my hair, but anyways, I wanted to cut off a little bit more length. So I made this little ponytail here and I'm gonna pull it all the way to the front and then cut because I definitely want to take off more length, and we'll see what that does. And then I'm just gonna cut my ends. These ends are fried. And I don't know if you guys can see, there's a lot of highlights there, which is why they're fried. So I'm literally cutting all of that off. Like, it's so tricky in the end. And I can say that as you go, you just get more confident in kind of knowing what to do and what you want, where you want to head after. So it does get easier. Like right now in my cut, I feel like overall it's gotten easier. My hair already looks and feels so much healthier. I love it. This is what my bottom layer is looking like. You see, it's still really long, guys. Yeah, I love these layers. I know they're all over the place, but I really love the layers right now. I love what it's giving. You guys can see it's still really long. You guys can see a little bit of shape, not too much, not shape, but you can see like the layers and stuff. It feels a lot thicker, it feels a lot healthier. So let's style it and see what it dries to, and let's see how the curls are looking, and then we will assess from there. What's up, you guys? So my hair is like 90% diffused, and you guys can see how much lighter it looks. You guys can see the curls curling. Here's the thing, right? I was gonna put on makeup and like take pictures and stuff, but I'm just not comfortable with the products that I'm using right now. So I changed out my products like plenty of times in the last few months, because I'm just trying to not use products as toxic as I was. Like, obviously I was unaware of a lot of the products like that I was using, and overall I'm trying to be a lot more like clean with the products that I use. And then the products that I have, the products that are like on the cleaner side, are a little bit too heavy for my kind of curls. This shape overall is pretty bomb. It did come out really good. I cut a big amount, like a good amount off, maybe like an inch, as I said, or an inch and a half. But I really love the volume and the lightweight feeling that I have on my curls right now. I'm just gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna go relax for the rest of the day because I don't even want to like put makeup on. I kind of want to just chill. So that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back tomorrow.
One eternity later.
guys, so I love the cut that I just did. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair just looks a lot healthier. These are my results. I actually just turned my whole studio around because I've been taking pictures and everything. But these are my results. I love the layers. I think my hair feels a lot fuller with this cut, so I'm gonna continue doing this pigtail cut rather than the unicorn, because I feel like the unicorn didn't really do anything for me, and my hair at the bottom doesn't feel like, you know, it just feels a lot fuller overall, a lot thick, a lot more thick and a lot fuller. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. Like, this is basically like, I cut my length about, overall from when I did the first cut to now, I cut about 2 inches. So it's not a lot. My hair is still pretty long, but I did get a lot more definition. As you guys can see, I got a lot more definition and stuff. So I'm really happy with my results. Today's only first day as well, so the volume is gonna get a little bit more. Later on, when I feel like cutting my hair a lot shorter, I can do that with this cut. And I measured it out. It all looks pretty freaking even. Just this side is a little bit more, like the curls are a little bit more limp because of the bleach, but that's normal. Other than that, I really, really love this cut. So if you guys do it, I do recommend the pigtail cut by Maids by Mel. And yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Too much pain up in this blunt, can't put it in rotation. Number bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund life, cause these bitches be playing. Too much pain up in this blunt, can't put it in rotation. Number bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund life, cause these bitches be playing. They don't want you to win, they want you to lose. Gotta keep it quiet when you busting your moves. Feeling got me aching. I'm so cold because